it in your bag, and this is the second smallest. This is like a headband. I already have an elephant, but I give it to my little sister. This can be the little sister of my outfit. I'm gonna put it right here. This is like a hairpin, and it is actually a hairpin, not like a hairpin. There's also a pink one if you want, but I get the blue one. There's literally like broken fruits, and I'm gonna wear one right now. Comment down below. This looks good on me, or this one. This one or the hard one? Yeah, maybe the hard one. You can't believe this, but in the first try, I said it was not in order. In the first try, I got this. Yeah. I don't know what this is. What's this for? Okay, let's open it. There's two wrappings. Are you curious what's it?
There's spoon there.
So inside is like a spoon fork thing, but you have to. When you're done, you can just take this, and then here is the very inside. It's so cute inside. It's like so big that you can like put. Unicorn drawing book. That is all my things. I got all of this from Playtopia Arcade. So if you want some, just go to Playtopia Arcade. Goodbye, everybody.